20th question, the value of n in the expansion of a plus b power n if the first three terms in the expansion are 729, 7290 and 30,375 respectively is. Okay, now what we will do is we will expand a plus b power n up to first three terms. So now if you try to expand a plus b power n, so you will get the first term as nc0 a power n plus nc1 a power n minus 1 into b plus nc2 a power n minus 2 into b square, etc. So the terms go like this, and this is nothing but nc0 is 1, so therefore you will get a power n plus nc1 is n, so this is a power n minus 1 into b plus nc2 is n into n minus 1 by 2 a power n minus 2 b square. The expansion goes like this. Now they have given that the first three terms are these. That means when you compare, therefore a power n should be 729, then n a power n minus 1 into b should be equal to 7290, and n into n minus 1 by 2 a power n minus 2 b square, this should be equal to 30,375. Okay, now we have to find n from here. Now let us divide, let us say we will call this as equation 1, we will call this as 2, and we will call this as 3. Now let me divide 2 by 1. So suppose I do equation 2 by equation 1, then I will get n a power n minus 1 into b divided by a power n is equal to 7290 divided by 729. So here what will happen is a power n minus 1 and a power n cancels, leaving a in the denominator, and this goes 10 times. So you will get nb by a is equal to 10. Now similarly I will do equation 3 by equation 2. Suppose I do equation 3 by equation 2, I will get n into n minus 1 a power n minus 2 b square divided by n a power n minus 1 into b equal to, now what I will do is this 2, let me cross multiply here and I will take 2 to the other side. So it will be 30,375 into 2 divided by 7,290. So we will get it like this. So now here we can cancel n, then we can cancel b, and a power n minus 2 and a power n minus 1. A power n minus 2 cancels with this, leaving a here. So we are going to get n minus 1 into b divided by a equal to, so we will simplify this. Here we will cancel, let us say 5, 5 ones are 5, 7, 5 fours are 22, 5 5s are 25, 4 5 8s are here, 5 6s are, then 5 7s are, 5 5s are. Then I think we can cancel 9. 9 ones are 9, 14 means 5 carry, 9 6 are 54, 9 2s are, 9 6 are 54, 6 carry, 9 7s are 63, 9 5s are. Then again 2 goes 81 times. So we are going to get again 3, I think, 3 2s are 6, 225. 3 27s. Okay. Again 9 goes, 9 2s are 18, 9 5s are 9 3s are. So therefore, we will get 25 by 3. Yes. Now I think again let us call this as equation 4 and we will call this as equation 5. So now again we will do 5 by 4 or 4 by 5, anything. So if we do 5 by 4, then n minus 1 b by a divided by n b by a equal to 25 by 3 divided by 10. So in this case b will get cancelled, a will get cancelled, so 5 you can cancel. So we are going to get n minus 1 divided by n equal to 5 by 6. Suppose you cross multiply this, we will get 6n minus 6 is equal to 5n. So from here 6n minus 5n, so you will get n is equal to 6 and hence n is equal to 6 is the answer.